Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to verify a blockchain wallet. First, understand that verifying your wallet helps confirm its authenticity and security. This process is essential to protect your digital assets from unauthorized access and scams. We'll cover the key steps to ensure your wallet is properly set up and secure. It's about giving you peace of mind with your cryptocurrency holdings. To begin, always access your wallet through its official website or application. Navigate to the Security or Settings section within your account dashboard. Here, you'll typically find options for identity verification. This often involves setting up two-factor authentication, like using a code from an authenticator app or a text message. Completing these steps adds a vital layer of protection to your funds. Beyond initial setup, maintaining strong security practices is key. Always enable two-factor authentication. It's a simple yet powerful defense. Regularly check your transaction history for any unfamiliar activity, which could indicate a compromise. Furthermore, create robust, unique passwords for each of your cryptocurrency accounts. These habits significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to scams or hacks. For even greater security, especially with significant holdings, consider using a hardware wallet. These devices keep your private keys offline, making them much harder for hackers to access. Always be vigilant against phishing attempts. Never click suspicious links or share your private keys. Remember, staying informed and proactive is your best defense in the crypto world. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.